Hello, camp counselors. We have week 1 under our belt and we are beginning week 2. You will see on this week's reminder there is a one-stop shop hub link. If you will click on the link, it will house all your important documents, anywhere from hours and operations, schedules, family communication, attendance, assessments, field trips, enrichment sessions, and weekly reminders. So instead of having to filter through all your emails, you can bookmark this website and it will have all your camp needs. Okay, a quick walkthrough of next week. Morning car duty will be the same as week 1. We will have everyone in places by 7:40. Car line will be Mr. Evans and Miss Stewart. The pre-K holding room will be room 600, Miller and Buechner. 2nd through 3rd grade holding room will be 604, Miss Spraggins. 4th grade and 5th grade students may walk to their classrooms. Room 608, Miss Haney for 4th grade, 610 for 5th grade. Morning bus drop-off. Buses will drop off students by the 100 building. Miss Rowan will monitor those students coming in. The pre-K kinder holding room will be room 101, Miss Hodges. 1st to 2nd grade holding room will be 104, Miss Purtle. 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students may walk to their classrooms. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we will follow the same schedule as week 1. Remember to be in your morning duty post at 7:40. We will make our way to breakfast around 8 o'clock. Teachers, please monitor students in the cafeteria. We will break off to Tribal Council around 8:30, where we will have morning announcements, games, and lively music. From 8:45 to 12 o'clock will be our academic instruction time. Please take attendance at 9 o'clock. On 6/8, Ms. Zorn will be subbing for Ms. Stewart. Also, don't forget on Thursday, please send out your family communication newsletters, and don't forget to submit your timesheets to the office either Thursday or Friday, depending on if you're working on Friday. Beginning at 11:45, we'll start lunch with pre-K and kindergarten coming in at 11:45, followed by 1st grade and 2nd grade at 11:55, 12 o'clock, 3rd through 5th grade. Remember, teachers, you have a duty-free lunch, and this will begin your conference time. Please give your behavior charts to one of the administrators. At 12:30, enrichment supervisors will collect their students and behavior charts from lunch. Miss Miller will be the floater this week, and she will help collect students for karate and assist pre-K and kinder bacon enrichment. Please note that on June the 8th, Caitlin Starkey will be subbing for Miss Miller in her floater responsibilities. From 12:45 to 3 o'clock will be our enrichment sessions. Don't forget, enrichment teachers, to record shout-outs on the behavior chart. On June 8th, from 1 to 3, we will have M-class training in room 606 with Miss Purtle, Miss Miller, Miss Hodges, and myself. At 3 o'clock, we will have dismissal. For bus duty will be Miss Rowan, Miss Stewart, and Miss Jones. For the car holding area will be Miss Miller and Miss Ballou. And for car pickup lanes will be Mr. Evans, Miss Robin, and myself. Thank you for everything you are doing for our kids. We're having a great time. If you have any questions, let me know.